How to message on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in this guide video I will show you the way as to how you can send a message on TikTok. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now first things first, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the TikTok app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store, in the search box typing in TikTok, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the TikTok app, I want you to go over and simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now if you want to send a message on TikTok, first of all you need to be friends with them. And how friendship works on TikTok is that you follow them and they follow you back in return. For example, if you follow a specific person and that person also follows you back, it means that you guys are basically friends. However, let's say that you follow them and they do not follow you back, or they follow you and you do not follow them back, it means that you guys are not friends because you do not have a mutual following with each other. And the other criteria is also your TikTok age. For example, on TikTok, in order to be able to message, you need to be above 16 years of age. Now let's say that when you signed up to create a new account, you didn't pay much attention to your date of birth, and now you're regretting it because you're not being able to message on TikTok since you're under 16 years of age. Now keep in mind that it is not easy to change the date of birth on TikTok, just like Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, or something like that, because on TikTok how it works is that you have to contact the TikTok support team directly in order to change the date of birth. So come to your profile page. From the bottom right, tap on the three lines on the top right corner, select the settings and privacy option at the bottom. Here you want to scroll down and select the option called report a problem, and over here again you want to tap on the gear icon, which is on the top right corner of the screen, and again you want to tap on this pencil like icon over here. As you do that, here you have to simply report a problem and a feedback to TikTok saying that you want to change your date of birth and you're ready for any type of verification purposes. But instead, what I would recommend you do, if this account isn't really that important to you, I just recommend you to create a new account with an updated date of birth, because unfortunately in TikTok this is too much of a hassle. But this is simply the truth of this video. As I said, two reasons: one is under 16, the other is the mutual following with each other. Hopefully this video helped answer the question. If it did help you in either way, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.